Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss what is NetSuite OpenAir. NetSuite OpenAir is a cloud-based professional services automation (PSA) solution designed to help services organizations manage projects, resources, time tracking, billing, and reporting, all in one platform. Key features of NetSuite OpenAir. 1. Project management. Create, assign, and track project tasks and milestones. Real-time project status, Gantt charts, and task dependencies. 2. Resource management. Allocate staff based on skills, availability, or location. Forecast resource demand and utilization. 3. Time and expense tracking. Employees can log time and submit expenses via web or mobile. Supports multi-level approval workflows. 4. Billing and invoicing. Automate billing based on time and materials, fixed fee, or milestone. Integrates with NetSuite ERP for seamless revenue recognition. 5. Analytics and reporting. Real-time dashboards and customizable reports. Track KPIs like project profitability, utilization, backlog, etc. 6. Integration with NetSuite ERP. Syncs with NetSuite's financials, CRM, and other modules. Ensures accurate billing, accounting, and forecasting. Who uses NetSuite OpenAir? It's ideal for professional services firms, IT consultancies, digital agencies, system integrators, organizations with billable client work, global teams needing centralized resource and project visibility. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.